Hi everyone, good evening to all of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so in this moment, and I would like to say something about in this place. Okay, so dear friends, as we can see in our behind side, this is the Brahmaputra river, and now I can see this is the Brahmaputra river and look like very beautiful. And as we can see, and another side, and wow, this is the hill, and this hill name actually Sandordinga Hill. And actually this hill name, and I think famous this place and Sandordinga Mandir. And I visited this mandir, and so a very nice place. And this mandir and this river actually beside the Brahmaputra river, as we can see. And this is the hill, and it's look like mountain. And so wow, there are so many uh, person, and they have come here for uh, visit this mandir, because this mandir actually famous, because beside the river. And so that is why it's a famous mandir. And today I have come here with my friends. Okay, and it is evening time, and 4:30 p.m. now, and the sun setting now. And as we can see, the sun setting now. Okay, and now I am making video for English practicing video, because evening time. So very nice scenery, so that is why today I have come here. So as you can see, Brahmaputra river, and so very awesome scenery, I think. So you also come here for this location for visit this mandir and this place. And so many peoples come here for some take photos, shootings, and so many type of like shootings. And so that is why I have come here for making video. And I have some photos. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.